Okay guys, we are back again on a new video. I saw this post from Sana Akbarawa. Normally I don't share this going back and forward video they are making against each other. But I have to share this one because there's something I want to say about it based on the finance and being accountable or giving account of Biafrans to heaven know who. But let's listen to the post. I'm gonna read it out. And there's a short video that he attached it from Adadorama. I don't know if Sonia Barawa is not understand. I don't know if he understand Igbo language because I know he's from Cross River, I think Calabar. So we have our language seems to be different, but we are all Biafrans. But Adadorama made a video, made a broadcast, using Igbo language, but Sonny seems to maybe somebody must have interpreted to him, or maybe he understand, maybe he can speak Igbo very well because I have seen him calling names, Igbo names, taking a record or calling attendance in fundraising. So maybe he understand Igbo language very well, but I don't know. He said the cry is too much. They want to know the accountability of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa of what he has been doing with our funding Biafran liberation, so that they can use it against him while he is in Finland police custody. Can you see the evil cabinet that Simon Ekpa sacrificed his life for? Why didn't you ask Simon Ekpa for accountability when he is not yet in the detention? Thanks to finance minister for not betraying Simon while in Finland police custody. God will expose those entire cabinet members. Now, somebody may read this thing and say, okay, Sonny is right. So he don't talk about Simon Ekpa, don't talk about PM because he's in custody. No. This post actually make it look like you yourself are suspecting or feel that Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, has been playing foul play with your money. So I don't need. Do you see PM as somebody who have hid a cockroach in his cupboard? That's a lie. Personally, I'm actually, I wonder how he achieved all this with little money people are contributing. The money Biafran contributes, it is too small to achieve what I have seen from PM. So that one is number one. So don't make it look like giving an account is a taboo. It can be only a taboo if the account will be exposed to public or people that are not supposed to know it. Executive members should be aware of the flow of funds and all that. PM, I'm not saying that PM should be investigated because that's Sonia Barawa is making it look like people are calling for investigation or flow of cash and all that. No. Since you guys, the cabinet, have agreed to form new cabinet, which some of you are denying that you did not, but I don't think it's true because there's no way COS will just rise against everybody and say, okay, I'm dissolving everything, I'm starting up again without backup from the cabinet. It's not true. And in every executive, you have ndikwe and ndekwe, people that accept and people who will not accept, people that will feel like, okay, I don't like this idea. Then, but at the end of it all, majority carries the vote. So we don't need to start going back and forth on that. I kicked against giving account details in security movement like Biafran movement, bringing account to the public. So that's why I kicked against it when somebody called the COS on his live broadcast asking if there's any way Biafran could draft a way of knowing, if people will know how much come in and how much go out. I said no. It is wrong. If you do that, your enemy will capitalize on your financial strength against you. But if you want to build a government that is, reasonable and functionable, you need to have executive that matters. People who pilot their affairs, they're gonna know their affairs, how much go in, how much goes out. And for your information, PM actually knows how much in and how much that goes in and out. The same thing with finance minister. So few people knowing the flow of funds is normal. So when new cabinet has been inducted into the government and they want to know how funds have been flowing and everything, it is normal. You need to give it to them because you trust them before you recruit them. Do you understand? So let it not be as if it's a taboo. Oh, yeah, because I hate people twisting words against other people's personality. That is wrong. And Sonny is somehow venturing into that. I have seen some of his posts where he's calling Biafrans mugus and all that. It's uncalled for. There are some that I don't support what Mr. A is saying. I am supporting Mr. B. Does not warrant Mr. A to start calling me names. I'm not your enemy. If you pick CS as your enemy, that's between both of you. But Biafrans have right to analyze, to know basic things they should know. Not everything. And I'm not in support of bringing everything for Biafran to trust you. No, I don't support that. Especially funds and people that are people that are in contact with the Biafran Liberation Army and everything they're doing. It shouldn't come into public. But those of you that brought it out should be questioned. You should be questioned, to be honest with you. So my people, I don't want to make the video to be too long. I just want you to understand what this guy and these people are doing. But listen to the videos of Adada Rama. Like I said, he called this part, I think 1 minute 4 seconds of video. So let's hear that. Let me bring it up so that you can be able to hear that. Listen.
Saturday. No, until the log get a dead by Kedego that account. Kedibo in and out of that account. At least Alpha account Alpha account to a country must be transparent. Over to the Akabu can get it. Call the account to get it also. You didn't come.
Listen. I did not get this part because I'm listening to this short video for the first time. From what Ada is saying, that this accountability has been, the case has been on. They have been calling for him. Even PM have called him to come and give account, and he refused, or he did not come. I don't know how true that. How I don't know if it's true or not, but you can hear that from Adada Rama. But before we go on, please, I want you to like the video, use the opportunity and click on the like button. So this is just 7 minutes in the video, so I think it's a right time for you to click on the like button and subscribe if you're new. Comment and tell us what you think. What is your own opinion? Do you agree on what I said? Do you have a different opinion about it? I would like to learn from you. We are all trying to figure out a way forward for our people, because now, if you read the news or you follow the news of what is coming out from Biafra land today, you will shed tears. People who were sleeping and now they are awake at the moment, and they are taking advantage of this katakata between our people. Probably it is a well-planned, orchestrated attack on our people from those who claim they are within. But time will tell. Listen.
Before another government, Ogenkele was to come and give account. Nowhere to find Ogenkele. For how many meetings came in? 4 good meetings. Nobody to see Ogenkele. Then the cabinet, then later. See how at the meeting. Nowhere to find Ogenkele. Okay.
You see the reason why I said you that is not aware of all those things, you are not. Oh, write down my finance minister. Oh, write down my COS. You need to understand those things before you jump. That is why I said I'm not going to support anybody until I have the clear picture of what is playing out. Some of them that are supporting Party A or Party B today are doing that because there could be part and parcel of the misinformation or the what you yourself considers as a crime. You understand? Maybe mismanagement of fund and all that. So somebody who is a partaker of the fraud, of what people perceive as a fraud, do you expect the person to come out publicly and start supporting you that is against it? No, because he's part and parcel of the problem. So this is not to conclude yet. You have to wait and see more. Allow the thing to flow so that you understand what is playing out. But we all can agree that something is wrong. Someone is polluting everywhere. polluting everywhere without any remorse. Very, very, very bad. Anyway, my people, thank you so much. Before you go, like the video, like I said, and subscribe. God bless you, and bye bye for now. Take care.
Every minister see that now white got the look of who one way he didn't come the meeting again.